you can QA your test. So this is an example of a navigation test that we're running. So just to show you how it works, so we have included some JavaScript here, some CSS. Now the first way to QA your test is by checking the preview link. So you can do this by clicking the little eye icons here. So we click this, so this is the control. So you can see this is our base homepage, and this is what the variant looks like. You can see the navigation is different and that the imagery of the CRO marketers is missing. So the control and the variant. So that's one way to check. The next way is to use our plugin. So we have a plugin here, an extension for the Chrome Web Store. And you can see it's already installed and it includes a QA extension. So the way this works is if you were now to go to the page that the test is on, so our home page. Now we click on the extension here. Yeah, we can see the test is not running yet. So what we need to do is make the test live. So we make it running. And then now we refresh the page. There we go. Now we can see the test and we can see that this is the variant one with the different navigation. And then this is the control. So you can switch freely between the two just to see the differences. Like so. So that's another way that you can QA your test. And the third way to QA your test is by using the URL parameters. So if we scroll down here, we click the URL parameter rule. We include a URL parameter that's not currently in use. So we just QA testing for this. Save it. Let's say we want to see the variance changes, so we change the traffic allocation for the variant to 100%, like this. Now, what we want to do is check that this is working. So we open a private window, go to our website. So what we want to see is the variation. So you can see this is the control at the moment. We need to include the UTM parameter. So that was UTM term, both QA testing. And there you can see this is now the variance. And then just double check that this is indeed the variant. We can go to the console here. Type in my.version and you can see 24258. That is our test right here. And so now you can see that this is working as well. So this is another way you can QA your experiments. So there are 3 ways in total. It all depends on how extensive you want the QA to be. But yeah, each of them work, and it really depends on how you like to QA your experiments. So I hope this helps, and let us know if you have any questions at all, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.